Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today in front of me I have Motorola Moto E13, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate that you can manually adjust the camera brightness on this device. So first of all, let me quickly launch the default phone, camera app. And in here, in order to adjust the camera brightness or basically exposure value manually, not sure if I previously said manually, but excuse me if I've repeated myself. So in order to do that, you have to simply touch anywhere at the viewfinder. It doesn't matter where you touch, and hold, like so. And as you can see, this little adjustable bar appears, which allows you to increase or respectively decrease the photo brightness, like that. So you can make your shot darker or brighter respectively, depending at the circumstances and your surroundings and the level of light that you have around you. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.